not supposed to look like that. Well, how did we end up here?
Well, let's go back a couple of weeks and find out. Hi!
Ah, with some video. Hello. Come back. Your head's gone.
Hi guys. So we have just witnessed our beautiful friends get married here in Road.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Yeah.
Beautiful historic house they got married at. And we're just waiting for the taxi.
So we have checked ourselves into a motel tonight. Ooh.
Fancy.
So this is when life starts to get a little bit interesting. So we crashed the drone.
It's okay. It's not going to cost that much to fix, but until I get it done, I can't use it.
It's just inconvenient.
And we have to stop somewhere long enough for me to order the parts and get them in. I should be able to do it myself. It's pretty easy, but...
So until then, there's no drone footage.
Which is a pain, because we've come across some amazing scenery.
It's a little frustrating. So I guess the lesson learnt is to always look up when you take off.
So just to give you a bit of an update on why we haven't posted, it's been hectic. So we left Cal, but basically the troopy had a problem. We got delayed a day.
Had a problem with the alternator.
We then had to race because we were a day behind.
So we had a couple of hectic days to get down to Mount Benson first.
Where we worked a couple of hectic days. It was Easter weekend and it was flat out.
And then down to Robe.
Then to Robe, catching up with friends, wedding, after party.
Social overload.
Social overload.
Social overload.
And then we went to the mountain and caught up with my family. So once again.
So it's been pretty crazy, pretty hectic. I haven't really felt like documenting anything. Purely
because of social overload and things that have gone wrong. And
yeah, we've been, like when we crashed the drone, we were feeling a bit down. Well, we were feeling a bit down that the alternator went anyway. And then we crashed the drone and it's just like, So, and then we just had a really hectic time. So, yeah, just been feeling a little bit overwhelmed with life, I guess, really.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're getting back on track. You'll see that in this video.
Yeah. Sorry, Charlie's
Charlie's having her
Charlie's doing her normal Charlie thing. Welcome to travelling with dogs.
There we go, she just turned around more in the sun.
So we had a couple of nights in Narrandera.
Not planned.
No, totally not planned. And didn't really get any YouTube footage of it. We've been quite active on social media, so if you really want to catch up on our travels for the last month, head over to Facebook or Instagram. So on Facebook we're outside space normal, and on Instagram we're outside.normal. So head over there, you'll give us a good catch up even of where we are today. So back to Narrandera, we had a really lovely overnighter there at the free RV park, just over the bridge. Old Brewery Road.
Old Brewery Road, yeah. It's a great little spot.
Really nice spot actually. And went to head off the next morning.
And the fuse had blown to again for the air compressor. So then we had to madly try and find auto electrician, and there isn't actually
There's
one
none anywhere
Narrandera.
Nearby. Probably Wagga Wagga would have been the nearest.
So we got and managed to get hold of a guy, did a mechanic, did a few checks, basically worked out that the fuse had gone again,
so
but led to the problem that why is the fuse going, and apparently it looks like our solenoid, red arc safety solenoid between the two batteries.
It's not working.
It's not working how it should. So we need to get that replaced at some point.
Yeah.
It could happen again at any time,
which is a bit of
a bit of a pain, but we'll be where we need to be in a week or so.
Where we are soon, and we can get off to an auto electrician and get a few of those issues sorted out. Yeah. So yeah, hence really no footage in Narrandera, but they do have the world's largest playing guitar. It was really cool.
It was very, very cool.
Yeah. Oh my god, I can hear you. That's crazy. Isn't that incredible? Talk?
Hello, Charlie.
Okay, look how far away he is.
tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You rest on my shoulder. The stars convey the light, so fragile in the night. In this moment, forever be, forever be.
I bet you'll never guess where we are.
Country capital of Australia.
Let me give you a little bit of a clue. That's right, folks, we're in Tamworth.
That's a big guitar.
Doing a Tamworth Manie.
What you're putting in, all your hopes and efforts are all in vain.